What is a project charter? How to write a great project charter step by step. A project charter is an essential document in project management that outlines major project objectives and defines the roles and responsibilities. It is a short document that answers what your project's objectives and goals are, who will achieve the goals, and how the project work will be carried out. From this aspect, it provides a common understanding of the project scope, timelines, major project milestones, and tasks. Project charter versus statement of work. A project charter involves the project scope, goals, and stakeholders involved in the project. This formally approved document authorizes the project. Therefore, it gives the project manager responsibility and power to use the resources to accomplish the project targets. The charter documents the project's scope, development, and objectives. From this point of view, the statement of work is incorporated into the charter. A project charter is an essential documented authorization for a project. In other words, it authorizes the project to exist and gives the project manager the authority to use resources to perform the project. So that if it is approved by the project sponsor and other designated stakeholders, it becomes the foundation for the project plan. Advantages of having a well-created project charter. A project charter creates a common understanding for all parties involved in the project. Provides information regarding the budget, organization, risks, constraints, milestones, budget, and success criteria of the project. Addressed basic project information in the charter helps to save time during the execution of the project. Provides clarity for the budget. Provides a guideline for the project team. Inspires confidence for the project team. And working with a well-created charter boosts team morale. Motivates the project team. What is included in a project charter? Introduction and project description. Explains the purpose of the charter and includes basic information, name, sponsor, project manager, date of approval, and project description and scope. Describes the major deliverables of the project, business case. Describes the information of a particular business to determine if the project is worth the investment, success criteria. Defines the success factors for the project, major project deliverable. Describes the key project deliverables and requirements. Budget. Includes information regarding the project budget, cost estimate, and the spending authority schedule and key project milestones. Includes information regarding the duration, end date, and key project milestones. Assumptions and constraints. Project constraints related to time, budget, scope, quality, etc. And project's known and unknown parameters. Major project risks. An overview of major project risks that may affect the project goals. Project team and organization. Includes information regarding core project team members and roles. Key project stakeholders. Lists the name and the role of key project stakeholders. Approval. A space for approval. A well-created charter also includes additional project documents as appendices such as lists of deliverables, project schedule or milestone schedule, communication plan. 5 tips to create a great project charter. 1. Discuss with your project team members and key project stakeholders. Discussing with your team members, sponsors, clients will help you to gather more information about the project. 2. Don't forget to take notes efficiently. During your meetings with the parties involved in the project, take notes to record the details, because you will use them later while creating your charter. 3. Analyze the templates existing in the organizational process assets. Organizational process assets are the plans, processes, procedures, knowledge bases, and templates of an organization. Before creating your own project charter template, it is a good idea to analyze the charters of your organization's previous projects. You can also analyze templates available on the internet. 4. Include specific information for your project. Don't forget to write specific information regarding the goals and objectives of your project. Write details of what your project seeks to achieve, how long will the project take, and who are the core stakeholders. It is important that the reader should get all the necessary information when he reads the charter. Therefore, a well-created charter should involve clear and specific information. 5. Review the charter before to get the approval. Before getting the approval, make sure that it includes adequate and correct information regarding the project. Therefore, don't forget to review the charter with your team members.